What's up, Mr. Smith? It's your boy, Alex Hayes. Solo Rube Goldberg project. Would you look at that? Let me give you a run through, then we're going to see it in action. All right. So it's starting out right here with the remove a magnet thing. That one, the one that's not going to be removed, the one on top, is going to slide down, knock this very precarious thing out from this wrench. That's going to move that wrench right there up this ramp. That together, these two weights, is going to cause freaking... I've done what Lucasfilm never could, and I've gave R2-D2 a knife. This thing's very dangerous. They're both combined going to press down this button, which causes R2-D2 to spin. That will cause this dangerous R2-D2 knife to cut this string right here. That's going to go down here, release this tied whole thing, which will cause this battery to travel up this pulley. Perfect. And then, backwards. This is going to cause the battery to drop, knocking this disruptor that I built out of the way. Now what this disruptor is doing, Pokemon Black and White 2 for the DS, when you trade, they need an infrared connection. It's blocking the infrared connection between them. So it's going to knock it out of the way. They're going to infrared connect. You're going to be able to trade. That's the Rube Goldberg project in order. So that's all 5 things there. So let's see it in action.
Give him an A for Alex.
A for Alex. And go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. The trade started. The trade started. Boom. We're in business. We're in business. We're in business. That's it.
That's it?
I'm gonna get that Onyx, bro.
That was very anticlimactic. Don't give him an A. Give him a B. And give him a good
Don't
solid
listen to her.
86. Give him a
Thank you,
solid
Mr. Smith.
86.
I'll trade you any Pokemon you want for that A.